Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to export Smartsheet to Microsoft Excel. Let's begin. Exporting a Smartsheet to Microsoft Excel is a straightforward process. Alright, so one thing is you need to log into your Smartsheet account, and once you are here, you might want to open the sheet you want to export. But in this case, if we are on the home page, I want you to go to the left side panel of the dashboard and go to the browse. Now, for example, this is going to be the file that we're going to work with, or this one. If you want to export this to Microsoft Excel, all you have to do is click on Actions, and there should be an option that says Export to Microsoft Excel. It's a straightforward process that when you click it, it will automatically save to your computer, right? Now, the next option that you can do is go again to your homepage and look for the file that you're gonna work with. In this case, this is the file that I'm going to export. Now, in this specific Smartsheet, just go to the where it says File, and of course, there's gonna be an option for export going to Microsoft Excel. All right, so whichever you prefer. Now, once you deal with that, click on this specific button. Although your sheet has unsaved changes, you can go ahead and export the sheet without your unsaved changes, or cancel the export and save your changes before exporting. So I'm gonna click on save for now. And again, just log into your Microsoft Excel account, open the file, and that's it. It's a very straightforward process that Excel offers powerful data analysis tools such as tables and complex formulas that can help you analyze and visualize data in ways that might be more limited in Smartsheet. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.